Okay, today I'm going to look at something which uh, is very important in English and special to English, and it's the difference between speaking like maybe C or, or B English and A plus English, and that is using what your teacher, I'm sure, often tells you is using or a and the or the sometimes, and personal pronouns like his, her, or your, or our, uh, with nouns. Okay, so in English, we could say we love those, or we like them. They're very important. Uh, you may say does it change the meaning? Do we understand what you mean when you don't use them? And it's true. Usually we do understand, but it's just it's special to English, and it sounds much better if you use these things properly. So I'm just going to try and explain to you how to use them. Right, and the title here I've got here is Countable Nouns, Love Articles, and Possessive Pronouns. Actually, more correctly, I could just say nouns, love articles, and possessive pronouns, because uncountable also, nouns also use them. But then I will explain in a moment what countable and uncountable nouns means. Okay. So I've said in the subtitle, don't forget to put a and the, or his, or my, and it could be our, it could be your, or even its. It's when we talk about an object like its bottom or its top. Okay, so we're going down here. All right, so articles, what are they? Articles are the words like a and the, or it could be an, a-n, as you were maybe taught at school. We don't say like apple, we say an apple, because of the a sound. Apple, a. And the same with the e sound, or the e sound, or the a, or the a. So like apple, or engineer, an engineer. He is an engineer because a sound, okay, a-e. And then the I, but it's not the letter I, it's the sound I. So for example, I met an Indian gentleman the other day. Indian, an Indian gentleman, an, and then the R sound, such as we don't say orange, we say an orange because of the R sound, orange. And lastly, the U, but not the letter, but rather the sound a. So, for example, please please give me an umbrella, not an umbrella. Okay. Anyway, that's just a little side note there. So, so or an or the are articles, and we use them when we're talking about something which is in time, which we can we usually see. We get things that we can't see, but that's another matter. But so we can see it like things like cats or dogs or pens or tables or chairs or even big things like hotels, restaurants, universities, just about anything, something. Tree, river, mountain, all those things are nouns. Okay. And all of these as I say, I'm going to talk later about countable and uncountable, but certainly when these are in their countable form, like cat, cats, one cat, two cats, which I'll explain later, they take things like a or the or a possessive. Okay, always they take it. So if we don't have them in English, it sounds like something is not there. Okay. All right. So I took a taxi means, and this is explaining the difference between a and the, a and the. Uh, if it's a, it's just any of a kind of thing like taxi. So maybe I took a taxi to Seoul yesterday, because it could have been any taxi, or I went to a restaurant because there were many restaurants somewhere, and I just went to one of them. All right, okay. But when I say the taxi or a restaurant, this is a special case. It's one we're talking about, a special taxi or a special restaurant or a special one. It's one we are talking about. It can be because it's only possible for there to be one. Like I said here, maybe there's only one taxi in your village. So then if you say, I took the taxi, because there's no other taxi in the village, it's just, I took the taxi. Okay, but if you're in Seoul, there are many taxis, so a taxi. Okay, all right, that's one case. And always we're talking about taxi, always need a or the, or possibly could say my taxi. In that case, it would be in the taxi that I take at the moment. All right, so my taxi. So we had not a nice example, but we had an accident, and my taxi, let's say it's not a serious taxi, my taxi hit another taxi, but no one was hurt. I can use a good example. In that case, my taxi, because I'm traveling in that taxi, not because I'm the owner of the taxi, but so I'm kind of, you could say I'm, at the moment, only I am in the taxi, so my taxi. Okay, all right, so we'd use it in that way. In that way. And then at the bottom here, now if I talk about a taxi or a restaurant or whatever, then in the next sentence when I'm talking about it, I will then change to the. So for example, I took a taxi into Central Seoul yesterday. The taxi drove very fast, because I'm talking about the taxi I took. All right. Okay, so I wouldn't say I took the taxi into Central Seoul yesterday, because in Seoul there are many taxis. Okay, but if I was living in a very small village with only one taxi, maybe I would say I took the taxi. All right, but then the next sentence, the taxi drove very fast, because the moment I took a taxi, that taxi became a special taxi. It's the taxi that I took. So it's a special taxi from then on until I get off. Okay, so the taxi drove very fast. The taxi was very comfortable. Okay, all right. So let's just go to the next thing. So as I said, we need to, in these nouns, almost all nouns will take this, except for some cases, which I will explain later. They take either a or an or the, or they take a possessive pronoun or possessive noun. Okay, so my book, my chair, my sister, my aunt, my doctor, my house. All right, so my pen. Uh, so I wouldn't say like I gave him pen. I gave him pen. Uh, I would say maybe I gave him a pen, or I gave him my pen, or I gave him your pen. Okay. Uh, so, but I must say something, not just I gave him pen. In English, we don't like that. I gave him pen. That just doesn't sound right. It's just not right in English. Okay. Um, I have. Do you have a car? Do you have a car? Not do you have car? Okay. Do you have a car? All right. Do you have a sister? Do you have a sister? Not do you have sister? All right. Okay, so you can read that. My book, my chair. Here's her book. And also we could say like tables, legs. If you look at a table, it has legs, 4 legs usually. Okay, and every car should have brakes, or it will uh, have an accident. Okay, good should have good brakes. And John's foot. We're talking about John's foot was hurt. He hurt he had an accident. I'm talking too much about accidents these days today, but John kicked a rock and his foot hurt. So John's foot is very painful today. Okay, all right. Okay, some exceptions. Uncountable nouns don't usually take the, except when we are speaking about a specific instance of the noun. So, uncountable, as I said before, things that you can't really count. So we can't count water. Give me some water. Water is just water everywhere, and it's almost like a big ocean of water. You take some of the water out, but you can't talk about waters usually. Okay, and same with things like foods and drinks like wine or beer. uh, People do say give me 2 beers, but actually it's not strictly correct in proper English. Proper English would be give me 2 bottles of beer, 2 bottles of soju. So that's kind of slightly slang when we say give me 2 sojus. Okay. So I'd say, do you like soju? Do you like wine? Give me some wine. Can you buy me some wine? Okay. And in that case, I wouldn't say the wine. We please bring wine to the party. That's okay. All right. Okay. Except again, when we're talking about a special case of that. All right. So we have a party, and I say to you, please bring wine. And then when you come, you say, oh, I forgot the wine at home, because you're talking about special wine you bought. So now it's a special thing. You're talking about the wine that you bought. Same thing we can say, do you like the cheese? Do you like the pizza? Do you like the bulgogi? Do you like the bibimbap? We're talking about this bibimbap you're eating right now at the moment. So we're talking about in the moment, talking about that one. So that's a special case. But if not, then we don't have or the. Okay, all right. So that's some exceptions. And I said, how is the water in the spa? Is it hot? So then it's talking about the water in the spa, special water there. Be careful, don't use with plurals. Is like one, it's like one thing. Taxi is only one taxi. Bicycle is only one bicycle. All right, so it's the same. It's just one case. Okay, all right. The you can use. You can say the cats are very noisy today. Okay. The cars on the freeway are very fast today, or something.